Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much for joining me here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here again at Filecoin. We're going to double check. Well, a couple of things here. Actually, we got this awesome ascending trend line, a rejection of 0.618 fib, that common rejection level, and a likely retest depending on how you look at it here. Of course, there's a few patterns we want to discuss as well that might be forming. So we're just going to go ahead and take a look at that and a few other things too. So do me a favor before we get started, hit the like button, comment below. Greatly appreciate that. And if you want to become a better trader, or you are enjoying the group here, of course, cryptocash.tech is a site linked down below. We can accept crypto payments now for our annual memberships, and of course, and more important, we took some solid profits here recently. So congrats everybody for Bitcoin, AVAX, and near protocol shorts, roughly 10 to, I think, 12 to 15 to 25% per trade. Decent trades there, folks. Again, this isn't like monstrous trades. We don't get heavy with our shorts. But the truth is they're 5-6x leverage trades, safe and effective and very consistent. So I'll post our results here soon, but we only had 2 stop losses this month and somewhere in the range of 25 successful trades. So it's been a pretty good month. Okay, so Filecoin is one of those, actually. As a matter of fact, we took profits on Filecoin twice. We still got a little bit left in the game there. I think we have a profit target somewhere in the $10 range. But what we want to talk about here is liquidation last 7 days. So to quickly clarify, we keep seeing more and more liquidation levels. So as the price continues higher, shorts just do not seem to learn. This is kind of funny to me when this happens. Just shorts getting demolished all the way up. So I would just say, simply put, Filecoin is a very strong coin. Careful shorting it. While we have shorted it with success earlier this month, there was obvious indications that it was due for a correction. There is no obvious indication right now that this coin is due to continue lower. Okay, so please, please, please don't just short it because it's the only coin that's taken off today. That's not the way to do things. Either way, 8.5 is a very strong, heavy concentration liquidation, followed by 8.9. So if we take a look at the charts, we can see 8.5 is right here, 8.9 is like right here. So those are 2 areas of concentration liquidation, and some new liquidation levels up here, where the price action wicked out to that 0.618 fib level. So this is the daily time frame. Let's quickly note a couple of things here. First, we're back up over the 20-day SMA. That's a very strong sign. We're honoring this ascending trend, which is quite strong. And the overall trend line too, folks, is still looking pretty good if you look at the 50-day SMA. Okay, so we're definitely in good shape here with this coin. I see no reason to consider shorting at this point, but let's double check a few things first. MACD convergence on the horizon hasn't fully converged yet, but looking pretty solid. We can see that Filecoin has 50 on the RSI, pretty much on lockdown. We've been above 50 on the RSI for about 5 days now. Money flow index is increasing, which is unique for the daily time frame. Typically takes a lot longer than this. And of course, stochastic swinging up. So this is a fully bullish daily time frame for this coin. That's awesome. We love to see that. 4-hour time frame. Does this tell us a different story? Well, we got a ton of volume coming into this coin as of the last 4 hours. We can see MACD's converging. We can see the stochastic RSI swinging very high. Money flow index increasing, RSI all close to 70. Okay? And when things get close to 70, typically you see some rejection. So I wouldn't be surprised the price comes up, maybe wick out, or to sometimes there's like a little channel that you can see the price work within, and then it breaks to the upside. There's a lot of times little things like that, like a handle pattern without the cup. You could even argue that this is an ugly cup and handle pattern. If you take a look at this here, yeah, there we go. Just kidding. Oh, well, actually, no. Truth is, we got this here. We can see the cup and handle for the breakout. I guess you could see that's still technically a cup and handle. Just, again, a bit of a stretch. So, again, people try to focus on everything the charts are telling you and not just patterns if you see them. Okay, we got some community members that do have a tendency of kind of over focusing on patterns that are occurring, and while it is good to look at patterns as a swing trader, they're confirming factors only. They're not the sole reason to take a trade. You can get away with that with day trading because you're in and out of the market, you're watching it closely, but swing trades, a lot of invalidations can occur with patterns if you don't have other things present. So let's see if there is anything else here present. I'm venturing to guess we're well above the cloud. Everything's green light here, good to go. So again, folks, you do not short into this. You see that money flow? That is a lot of money, a lot of volume coming in. A lot more reasons why this coin will likely continue higher. We look at this level here, this 0.5 fib level, 9.8. Heavy concentration of volume there, or sorry, more importantly, I misspoke. It's a recent high turned into a new low. That's really all it is. I don't say there's a ton of volume there. In fact, why don't we take a quick look at the volume in this more recent range and just kind of generally understand where the volume is accumulating. If we look at the current range, we can see that the heaviest amount of volume is about 915, secondary at 930. All those are below the price action. The only thing we have here is this resistance at 0.618. Coincidentally, $10.25 is that resistance level based on a small amount of volume. I say small because compared to everything else, it's pretty small, but is still somewhat of a resistance. So we're going to take some extra volume to be able to get through this. There's no doubt. But once we break through 0.618, I think it's off to the races for this coin, and I think we're going to see a lot of further continuation. Pending Bitcoin doesn't drop to 64K today, right? We should be in good shape to see this coin fly. So I would say that a good solid entry is at 9.8 if you're considering along with this coin. Other than that, not much else to really note. Quick disclaimer, or sorry, I already gave you a disclaimer. I'll reiterate it. Don't short this coin, okay? I have to say that multiple times because people think that for some reason they hear me say certain words, and they go the opposite direction and they go hard with it. Do not get crazy with your leverage, low position sizing, folks. That's the market we're in right now. If you don't like it and you're trying to, build your portfolio fast because Tom, Dick, and Harry online are showing how amazing they are with the 100x leverage trades, you got to realize they're getting stopped out numerous times before they post that result. Okay? If you want to be part of that statistic, go ahead. Lower leverage, you're going to be able to sustain these increases and decreases with composure, and you're going to feel good about it. You're going to sleep well knowing that you're not getting destroyed in the market. I sleep like a champ every single night, mainly because I know that it's nice to know I'm making people money, right? Because I got a few hundred members underneath me, trading underneath me. More importantly, though, it's not that does it for me. It's knowing that I don't have to worry about my trades that I set. I set it and forget it. And we have 90-95% success rate month in and month out. There's a reason for it, folks. If we used high leverage, we'd have a lot less success. There's no other way around it. So please get on board with less leverage because the whole crypto trend right now with high leverage is just insane to me. I hope you learned something today. Thank you so much for watching. Do me a favor, like, subscribe, and follow if you haven't already. Make sure you jump on over to Bitunix, phenomenal exchange. You can trade this coin and many others with stealth. This is a phenomenal exchange. They've been great to us. Loving them. Absolutely appreciate you, Filecoin. And Bitunix, of course. This coin is available here. No KYC or VPN. I look forward to working with you. Either way, once again, we'll see you in the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Thank you.